compared to paying hundreds of dollars to an actual developer out there. Most people are...
I was very unhappy with the one I had before.
It's awful.
My own. I was so intimidated.
Wix.com is a do-it-yourself website builder that enables small business owners, creative professionals, entrepreneurs, students to create their own website themselves without knowing any code. Wix.com is purely drag and drop. It's all visual. Put your own content and click publish. That's it. It is an actual freemium business model. Free and premium. Basically, you can use our platform to create an HTML5 website or a Flash website only when you need to take it to the next professional level, which means to connect your design to your domain name or to use our e-commerce options inside the website. Only then do you need to pay us a few dollars a month. That's all. Apart from that, you can use our design for free. We are one of the only online companies back then that was super stable because of our business model. Wix is as intuitive as the Apple services.
Wix was one of the ones that was most helpful and friendly. They had customizable options that I really enjoyed.
I said, wow, Sam turned me on to something good here.
So thank you so much, Wix, all you guys in Tel Aviv and San Francisco and New York. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart.
Do it yourself. It's super easy. Just give it a chance. Go to Wix.com, give it an hour. You will be able to create an amazing website.